Hi everybody, it's Damien for another video. I haven't heard back from my partner yet, but I'm just going to um, work on trying to set up the project on my computer again, even though I started it on my computer, but since then things have evolved in the Rails framework and everything, and different versions. So I think I'm gonna have to deal with that. So you can see that everything is up to date according to what Git is telling me. Now I'm going to try to run the app, and where so I'm talking about this app right here, which is on Heroku, like I told you on the last video. But yeah, I'm just gonna add maybe some features and change things according to our needs for the project, the new project. Okay, so let's do that. Uh, Come on. Whoops. Okay, you don't know that. This is in gem file, I guess. Gem. Oh, this is it. Yeah. I think now I just have to put this. Come on. Guess it should be fine. Hopefully. Like if I go on the Rails, because I heard like um, the last talk from Aileen Utishol, saying that, I mean, she's a core developer on the Rails framework, and she was saying that that we should update our application with the last version of Rails so that we can benefit from everything that has been made and about security, and also allows them as the Rails team, the Rails developer team, to, like, because we are using the last version and we are trying to do stuff with it, so we will probably get into trouble, and they will be aware of those trouble. But if nobody is using the last version, we will never know this trouble, these problems, these issues, those issues, and um, they will never work on it because they won't be aware of those issues, of the existence of those issues. I don't know which. I think the sixth version is actually out now. If I go that, check which version. What is the last version of the Rails framework actually? Because on that we're using 5.1, but 5.2 latest version, March. I'm gonna try something here. because it's actually anyway. I think I'm gonna have some conflicts or some issues because that's probably not. This is not the last version actually. And when I remember when I did this project, the Rails 5.1 was, I mean, it was just getting released, and I used it because I mean I probably made an update on those framework stuff and on the Rails framework, and obviously when I created a project, it created it using this version of it. Come on. Everything seems to do. Sorry, guys. Didn't want to. Oh, didn't want to make you see that and be patient about it. I don't know why. It's probably trying to do stuff here that I don't really know about. Come on. I'm gonna talk about the last. Oh, I'm trying to get. Okay, I find that. Yeah, I'm trying to get my draft about what we were about to do. I mean, you already seen it anyway. No, it's not here. It's not here either. This project actually is actually private, so that's why I put it on uh, Bitbucket. But that was probably before GitHub allowing developers to have um, like private repository for free, I think. Or maybe at the time it was already allowed, but I wasn't aware of it. So I just knew in my head that I had to use a Bitbucket to have private repository for free. WebSocket stuff. I'm going to try to use the last version to see what's gonna happen. My God. Sorry, guys. Yeah. I think there is a problem with this app as well because actually when you hear it will change uh, the the local. I mean the language of the website. But if you go there, like you want to make a not actually there, but like I don't know, you go there to check your message, and then you go English again. You will not. I mean, you will go back to the home page because I didn't implement it to white free. So that's something I will have to correct as well. One thing I will have to correct would be not that, but I mean the list we will probably we will definitely do some work about it. We'll find a way to like make it a little bit better. Is it done now? Okay, so let's see if I can run the app locally first, and then I will try to have the to use the last version of Rails actually. But I thought I'm just surprised a bit because I think they probably got postponed. I don't know why, but Rails 6 will probably get released soon, I guess, for each Rails conf. But now it's still on the 5. So yeah, they are probably doing some work. Oh, I'm not even connected. Well, I thought I was connected. Weird. So can I actually run my app? It looks like it's fine. I don't know if I have the database. Um, Sounds good. Just have to reload everything. Okay, the app is actually running locally. I don't know if there is some. Yeah, I created some name and stuff, and it's actually kind of slow. I don't know if it's slow because of the computer or like make it look a little bit better. A little bit, yeah. So now let's try to put the last version of Rails. I don't know if this is gonna be a big change. Um, okay, so if I do 523, 523, let's see. The thing is with this app is not a really big app, so I don't think this will cause some major issues, but we never know actually. So oops. So but I can find compatible version back to support the snapshot that in range other than that which depend on that device that okay update Let's see. Um, you got feedback. I basically, in a nutshell, what I have to do is probably this is like, yeah, this is pretty much okay, but I will have to change it because we do not swap thing anymore, and the country, city, and all that has to be, yeah, this this has to be, I have to put the address here of the person requesting something. Or maybe the person will have to set up his address, but it will not show up until the the consultant or whatever, the person delivering the service will get into the house of the person. And another thing will be the integration of the paperwork stuff, like like it was in a NoPapers project, allowing to create contract and stuff. What's going on with that? Always take time. Well, if I have that working, I think I'm gonna stop the video anyway, because it's getting late. Tomorrow will be Monday, and yeah, I have to go to bed in order to rest properly for tomorrow. Come on. Okay, let's see. Looks like it's working fine. I do that. I try to sign in. Yeah, probably that. Nope. Well, it's probably that. I don't know actually. Oh, this is. Yeah, looks like it's working. I even got a message. Gems. Well, I'm going to commit that and to push it. Yeah. Git status. Git. I don't remember. I think it's git lq. No, it's not that. I don't know the command to deploy. I think it's git push heroku or git heroku put something. I don't really remember. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Git push heroku master. Come on. Thing is, when I did those projects, there were no tests, which is not a good thing. I completely agree with you. But yeah, I think I'm gonna write some tests for to at least to get back how the project work in my mind. I don't know if there. I think there is no test at all. Like, yeah, no spec, nothing. Okay, you have not declared. You set in production. No profile detected. You are running. Okay. Okay. Well, I tried that. Well, I think I just have to refresh that. Should be fine. Looks like everything is still working. Yeah, everything is still working. Like I said, it's not a big app, so it's fine. I'm gonna shut the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Or is it actually? Yeah.